What's up, you guys? Alright, so we're out here, out in the little inflatable, my INTEX Excursion 5, awesomest boat in the world. I mean, it's just a blow-up boat, but guess what? It gets me where I want to go fishing. We're out here on Humboldt Bay again. You guys are probably asking, does this guy fish anywhere other than Humboldt Bay? Well, sometimes. I went to Lake Britain earlier this year on vacation, and we caught some fish there. There's a video. If you want to check that out, go ahead and check out my channel. It should be there. Caught crappie and some bass and some bluegill. Let's see if there's any perch chilling out here for right now. Last time I was out here, we caught some perch out around here. If I don't get any bites first couple casts, though, I'm heading over to them rocks. See what I can catch over there. Hey, thanks for checking out the video, you guys. Hopefully it's a good day. Bite. There we go. What do we got? A little perch. Thought it might have been a little perch. Whoop. Bye, perch. Well, the perch are up in here, you guys. If you guys got a little boat or a kayak or something, I encourage you guys to come out here and check it out. You know, I tried catching these guys from the shore over here and stuff. I couldn't get on them. Only when I was in the boat. At least I know there's something biting today. So I got that one perch. Let's see what we can find over by these rocks over here. It's usually a pretty good spot. Alright, you guys, this spot right here is pretty good. Pretty rocky down there. So maybe we'll get on something good today. There's something little down there bugging it. Something jacked my worm down there. There we go. Some little guy. Little brownie brown. Little brown ski. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? What's up, dude? You go back out there, you get bigger, cool? Have a good one, bud. Is that another fish? No, that's a snag. Well, there's shit biting down there. Damn, Daniel. Well, it's been pretty damn slow out here today. But I just caught that guy. And I don't know, if you ask me, that ain't a bad black. Pretty fish. But I think we're gonna stick with catch and release today, unless we get like a keeper lean caught or something. So back in the water, buddy. Look at that pretty fish, man. Look at that pretty fish. There it goes. Going home. This is a nice perch. What? It's alright, dude. I don't know if you guys can see the iridescence on there, but yeah, it's a pretty good perch right there. We're gonna put him back. Wonder maybe if I can get on a few perch before I take off. Those guys nibble really light. If I can get on some big ones of those, that'd be pretty cool. You know, when I got that fish, I'd been getting all these little tiny nibbles, and I'm wondering if it was all from those. Like, I wasn't expecting a fish that size off of little nibbles like that. I mean, I know the perch are nibblers, but little nibbles. Ooh, that was a good hit. Come on back. Come on back. Come and get it again. Ooh, I might be getting on some little perch action here, you guys. There we go. Little guy. He's cute though. Little guy. Look how pretty that is though. Whoop. My dumbass. Should have been out here catching perch all day, man. They were biting when I got in. I'm about to head out and they're biting again. So, man, I should have skipped the rocks and just come here. Look at that. Nailed it. That's a nice wally. Whoop. Man, I know they're good eating, but catch and release today. I still got fish in my freezer, so. And I'm planning on coming back out tomorrow. So we let them go. That was a nice little walleye perch, though. Ain't nothing like them big dog perch I see on YouTube, them big red tails and stuff. I'm sure they'll come in here at some point, or they already did this year. Oh no. Oh, it's starting to rain, you guys. You guys, I think I should make an attempt to get out of the water over here. Like I said, I'm a little worried about how wavy it is, but we'll try our best. Alright, you guys, so you can see it's a little wavy. It's nothing crazy, but it's the roughest water I've taken my boat out in, I think, as far as getting it out of the water. I'm going to aim for right over there where it's blocked by the rocks there some, and I think that might be how we want to do it. You know what? If I got the time, I might go off these rocks and try and see if I can get some of those perch out there. There's all that grass out there though, man. Maybe a bobber?
Hello. Well, it was a little slow out there today, but caught a few fish, had a good time. Thanks for checking out the video, you guys. Have a good one.
It's simple. What was I worried about? Dummy.